the wallpaper application. I'll be showing you guys how to use it so you get a full understanding and pretty much use it like it. Stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application, and as you can see a lot of wallpapers which you can use, and also you can go at the top here and search for what you want. You want a cat wallpaper, you can pretty much find that on this application. You have almost all types of wallpaper. So these are just few, not even few, there's a lot. So some of them you may see a Chrome icon over them. Those are pretty much the subscription base, or you're gonna need a subscription to be able to get access to those wallpapers. However, if you're going to exclusive section here as well, you may see all the subscription based wallpapers. So these are pretty much top of the line wallpapers which you can use for your device. Now, any one of them you want to use, if you don't have a subscription over, you won't be able to use the subscription base. But let's say you want this car one here. Main content ads while tapping on it. Pretty much once you have watched the ads, you'll be greeted with the wallpaper. And as well, you'll be able to see other similar wallpapers like the one that you have selected by just scrolling across. As you can see here, they will show you some similar ones. So do make sure you do scroll across. You might see something that you even like more than the one that you have selected. However, once you have selected the one that you want, you pretty much can tap on it here. Once you tap on it, that will pretty much be the final step for you to pretty much use it. You can tap on the icon, the arrow down icon here, which the arrow icon is pointing down to download the photo and use it as your wallpaper. Over here as well, you may see a picture icon, like you can tap on that to pretty much add it to your wallpaper as well. Now, I'll find similar wallpapers to this one that you have selected, and the art icon, pretty much like it or add it to your favorite, and you can share it as well. So that's pretty much how you use the application. Or select art. Pretty much any whether it be just the normal wallpapers or live wallpapers, same procedure. So that's pretty much it for that there. And over here you have the edge light feature, which you can enable if your device does support it. And also you have the favorite section here, which you can pretty much add your favorite wallpapers and go to view your favorite wallpapers. And the download section, pretty much all the wallpapers that you have downloaded using this application. So to get the pro subscription that they offer, just tap on the pro option there, and as you can see here, you get the unlimited access for 1 week, which is pretty much $15 per week, but it's unlimited access. So that's a crazy price, I'm not gonna lie, but this is pretty much their price. And if you do want to get access to the exclusive wallpapers, you're gonna have to pay that amount. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very easy to use. Not a lot of ads like the others. And if I miss anything at all, please comment below. And that's it.